guys, I am back. Today we showing guys how to wake up early without feeling like super tired. I wake up 5:15 a.m. every day for school. And everyone's like, why do you wake up so early? So I'm gonna be showing guys how I wake up that early without feeling like super tired. So let's get into it. Okay, number one, my voice is kind of weird today because my throat. But number one is to drink some water. I know everyone says to like drink water, but it's really important and it's good to stay like hydrated during the day, especially if you go to like school, because my school's like super big and it has like a bunch of stairs and I have to do like a bunch of walking to get to my class. So I always carry like a water with me to help me, you know, like stay awake and not like get tired easily. So yeah. Okay, number two, wash your face, specifically with cold water. In the morning I always wash my face with some cold water because it really helps me like wake up, and just like have like a morning routine that you follow like every day. Like mine is that I wake up at like 5:15 and I do like my stuff, like just like have a simple morning routine to follow. And yeah. Okay, number three, listen to some music or just like watch your favorite show. I prefer that you listen to like upbeat music because like if you're listening to sad music, it can have like a huge effect on like your mood and stuff like that. So just like listen to like some like upbeat music in the morning. Like when I'm getting ready, I always watch like some of my like favorite shows and it just like makes me laugh and like it really sets the tone for the day. So yeah, just like listen to like upbeat music and like watch your favorite shows when you're getting ready because it really does like set like your tone for the day and like puts you like in a good mood. So yeah. Okay, number four, go to bed at a reasonable time. If you're waking up like super early, you don't want to go to bed like super late. I wake up at like 5:15 like I said, so I go to bed at like 10 p.m. or at least I try to. But yeah, like if you go to bed like really late and wake up like super early, you're gonna like wake up like super miserable and be like super tired. So just like go to bed early, guys, because it does help you get like more sleep. And yeah. Okay, number five, stretch. Sometimes I do some like stretch exercises on YouTube. They have like a bunch of them. My backpack is like super heavy, so sometimes I do like back exercises because sometimes the backpack kind of hurts my back a little bit. But yeah, these stretches actually they're actually really good and they actually help me like stay like have like more energy during the day. So yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this video helped you since, you know, we're all back in high school or college or work or whatever, and we all have to wake up like super early. So I just hope this video helps you. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and we're kind of getting close to 600 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new to this channel. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.